Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2012 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. In the circuit shown below, the output expression Y is. The given circuit is CMOS circuit, and there are four options are given for the expression Y. The right answer for this question is A. Y is equal to A bar B bar plus C bar. We will see how. This circuit is actually called as CMOS circuit. CMOS circuit. Every CMOS circuit will be consisting of two parts. One is nothing but pull up network, the other is nothing but pull down network. Okay, so this is every CMOS circuit will be consisting of a pull up network and a pull down network. Pull up network will be consisting of PMOS transistors, whereas pull down network is consisting of NMOS transistors. So the transistors in between output node and VDD, all R should be of PMOS transistors, PMOS only, and all the transistors in between output node and ground node are all must be of NMOS type. So the circuitry consisting of PMOS transistors is called as pull up network, and circuitry consisting of NMOS transistors are called as pull down network. The name pull up has come because of this one. Output node, okay, for the given conditions, for the given inputs, output may be either of VDD or it may be connected to ground. That is, output may be either logic 1 or logic 0. So if output is equal to logic 1, what is the meaning of that one? Output is going to be connecting towards VDD. So output node is pulling up towards VDD. So this is pulling up, so that it is called as pull up. Otherwise, for the given input combination, if output is ground, so that output node is going to be pulling down towards ground, so that which network is going to be used to pull down the output node towards ground, that network is called as pull down network, and which network will pull up the output node towards VDD is called as pull up network. And pull up network always consisting of PMOS transistors, because PMOS can pass PMOS characteristics. PMOS can pass strong logic 1, whereas PMOS can pass weak logic 0. So that here this will be used to get output at node 1, that is output as logic 1. We will use PMOS transistors, which are going to be acting as strong logic 1, whereas NMOS transistors will pass strong logic 0, strong logic 0, whereas weak logic 1, weak logic 1. So to make the output node towards 0, by that time NMOS transistors will be used, because they are strong logic 0, and whenever the output node is pulling towards logic 1, by that time PMOS transistors are used. That's why pull up network consisting of always PMOS, and pull down network always consisting of NMOS transistors. Now how to identify the output expression for the given circuit, that we will see. Okay, so next, this is what we have discussed it, and this is a simple CMOS circuit. Okay, here if you are observing, these are going to be NMOS transistors, so you can make it as N1 and N2, and these are PMOS transistors, P1 and P2. So there are two PMOS transistors and two NMOS transistors, and here it is NMOS transistors are in R operation, that is are in parallel. So N1 N2 are in parallel. Whenever these two transistors are in parallel, at that time exactly there will be same number of transistors used in the pull up network, but they will be connected in the complementary fashion. So since N1 N2 are two NMOS transistors in the pull down network, pull up network will be consisting of two PMOS transistors, which should be in series, because NMOS and PMOS are going to be complement of each other, so that pull up network is complement of pull down network. So PMOS and PMOS transistors P1 and P2 should be in series. Okay, and this CMOS circuit is always gives complementary outputs. Complementary output. Complementary output is nothing but F will be always given as, okay, the logic function with inversion. Okay, so this logic function we can get easily. This is logic expression. this logic expression we will get from the pull down network or pull up network, and you have to make a bar over here. Okay, so whenever the transistors are in parallel, at that time that will be performing OR operation, logic OR operation. So that F can be written as F is equal to whole bar. First you have to make complement, and both only you have to look either pull down network or pull up network. So we will always go for the pull down network. We are much familiar with NMOS than PMOS. So that in pull down network, if the transistors are in parallel, at that time that performs OR operation between the inputs. So inputs for those transistors is A and B, and between them OR operation is going to be taking place with bar. So this is what A plus B bar, that is nothing but NOR operation. Okay. Next, if you are going with some other circuit like this, in this one, identify the pull down network first. First step is identify the pull down network. This is what the pull down network. Okay, because this is output node and it is ground node. In between these two things there will be called as pull down network, which consisting of two transistors whose inputs are AB, and both are NMOS transistors, but now they are in series. Whenever they are in series, at that time the operation performed is nothing but AND operation. This is the only point you should remember. If the NMOS transistors in the pull down network are in series, at that time they perform AND operation. If they are in parallel, they perform OR operation. So now you see, series, they are in series, so that AND operation for the input supplied. So output can be written as AND operation between the inputs with complement. Since CMOS always gives complemented output, MOS circuits made by CMOS or NMOS all will be giving the complementary outputs only. Okay, even PMOS also. So all MOS circuits will give complementary outputs. Next, these are some other circuits. Okay, so now identify the pull down network. Pull down network will be consisting of between output node and ground. This is output node and it is ground, so that this is nothing but pull down network. And for this pull down network there are three transistors are in series. Three transistors are in series. So whenever in series, at that time the operation performed is nothing but AND. So output can be written as AND operation between the inputs applied for those transistors ABC with a complementary function. Next, here the output you can directly write 4 transistors are in pull down network, because output equation is nothing but this one. This is output. Okay, so all are in series, so A into B into C into D, and operation is taking place, so that output is A B C D bar. Can you specify what is the output for this one? Okay, now this is going to be called as pull down network. Pull down network will be consisting of two branches. Pull down network consisting of two branches. Okay, those two branches are in parallel or not. This is branch 1 and it is branch 2. There are two branches. This is branch 1 consisting of a transistor with input A, branch 2 consisting of transistors, two transistors in series, two transistors in series with B and C. So that output will be, that is for this one, what you can write, series operation is nothing but multiplication B into C, and this is, these two branches are in parallel, so that you are going to be getting the final expression as A plus BC, and that what you are going to get is whole bar. So output is equal to A plus BC whole bar. A plus BC is nothing but BC is one branch, A is another branch. So the output is A plus B bar. So according to this one, you can specify about this one as, here Y is consisting of output function consisting of two branch. This is, you can say it as A and B are in parallel, that will be giving the expression as A plus B, and that is in series with C, so that it will be multiplying with C with whole bar. So A plus B into C whole bar is nothing but A plus B bar into A plus B whole bar plus C bar. A plus B whole bar is nothing but A bar B bar plus C bar. So this is, right option is A. Thank you.